You have an account, a login, and 30-something tools staring back at you. Ignore almost all of them for now. Your first week is 6 steps, and together they take about 90 minutes. Step 1. Upload your CV. Everything else keys off it. The moment it lands, JobMentis reads it, scores it against the checks that recruiting software actually runs, and infers a first version of your career archetype. Step 2. Take WorkFive. 15 minutes of questions, 5 domains, 30 facets underneath them. It turns your archetype from a guess into a measurement. Step 3. Optimise. Take the role you actually want and let the audit tell you exactly what to fix before you send anything. Step 4. Track 3 jobs. 3 is the number that matters, because at 3, your first career report generates itself. Step 5. Write 2 stories. Situation, task, action, result. They become the evidence in your reports, your cover letters, and your interview answers. Step 6. Open next steps. Every part of the system feeds one prioritized list, so you always know the next thing to do. That is the whole week, and if you are working with a coach, they can see your progress as you go and pick up from there.